Hi! In front of me is tablet DELL RUGGED 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you where you can access all typing options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and then selecting Time and Language on the left. Following that, click on Typing section, and as you can see, some typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. You can also just click on one of those options and adjust them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!